Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Siphezulu kwayo indaba namhlanje inguMusa Mseleku is the whole family is furious. The whole family is furious. Abantu bayabhala kuma status lapho ngoba uMusa ubebhalile la ku Instagram ukuthi I spent over 490k of my own money buying property of Umkomas for Nompendulo. She also asked the property to be finished. I asked Umakhumalo to work on that using our family money. When first her failed marriage, she wanted furniture. We organized that on a second one. Abantu baphendula lapho kuvutha malangabi. You mean the very same family that gave you love when you had nothing? You mean the very same family that caught you uchela umuthi eboxini la Zipho? Ngabe ukhuluma ngezangoma owafika nazo emanxiweni obaba omkhulu? Musa, ngabe ukhuluma ngale same family wena njalo mawuhlaba every Thursday mekuzoba nomcimbi womndeni? Ngabe uthi like kuyashisa wonke umuntu, the other one also goes? If kuya ngokwami Musa, ngabe ngithi nje let's invite the media and give our families chance to tell the whole world who really you are. I've seen with my own eyes. Hey guys, within just 7 minutes uMusa had to take down that post because I'm sure now he realized Ubana he has provoked a lot of people by saying all those words. And nakhona nje kutheni lo muntu esho ukubana uMusa kuyena okwamseleku uMusa wakwaNtini. Hey guys, alo tata lo uyophindela kena esibhedlela kwakhona. Hayi samphinda sambamba le stroke sakhe. Hayi asasi. So uyasho ngoba naye uMusa ukubana ngesikhathi besilwa usisi wakhe, because she had gone ebantwini, abantu labo bafika bamtshela ukuthi uMusa nguyo omthakathayo. So this is where the conflict between uMusa and his sister started. Now they're not even in talking terms. That's why uMusa was asking uSne ukubana ayesiza ngokuba ngumkhongi. Those duties are the duties of the sister, of the groom, the aunties, omamncinci bakho. Those are the duties. Kanene usapho lukaMusa lukephi? Lukephi usapho lukaMusa? Because we've never really seen Musa's biological family. Like we've seen abantu bakwaDuma. Abantu bakwaDuma kubona abantu, they are not a family kaMusa. Like we've seen the immediate family bakaMacele, we've seen the immediate family bakaMangwabe, bakamakhumalo. We've seen their people. We've seen them. So he did mention kwakhona ukubana they bought a bakkie for his estranged brother. When he says ukubana his estranged brother, does he mean the one who violated uSne? But at the same time, how are you gifting the brother that did such to your own child? I do not think I can forgive someone who had violated my child to an extent yokuthi siba right lokuyana okubana I'll even buy you such gifts. Let me know guys, and let me know.